How's it going, everybody? This is Dean Rojas, and today we're going to be talking about golden hour. So those of you who know what golden hour is, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay, cool. That's a lot. It's a lot of people. All right. But for those of you who don't know what it is, it's basically categorized as the hour before the sun sets and an hour after it rises. It's not exactly an hour, but it's about an hour, and it's kind of good rule of thumb to plan your shoots accordingly with that. So if the sun sets at 7:30, you can check your smartphone and be like, okay, cool, it's at 7:30. Let's plan on shooting at 6:30. We'll meet up at 6. We'll plan everything out. So why golden hour? During this time of day, the light is going to be a lot more orange, reddish, more golden, hence the name golden hour. And it's also gonna be softer on skin because it's not gonna be as intense of a bright light as it would be during midday. So since the sun is going to be parallel to your subject or the landscape, you're gonna get a lot more even lighting where it's just direct light and you're not gonna get shadows from coming from a different direction. If you shoot with the sun directly over, you might get shadows under the eyes. If it's over here, you might get shadows on half the face, the nose over here, and it's not gonna look good. It's not gonna look professional. So you can also use the sun on your subject to get a nice backlight and to get light leaks coming in, since the sun is parallel to your subject. So you also have to take into account where you are in the world. I live on the West Coast of the United States, where the sun sets over the ocean. So if I'm doing anything with the ocean, I'm gonna go at sunset. In recap, a golden hour, 1 hour before the sun sets, 1 hour after it rises, soft golden light, great light leaks, great backlight, super easy, now you know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment, hit that notification bell, subscribe, you know the whole deal. See you guys in the next one. Keep killing it.